So welcome to CPD4Me. We provide practical and relevant training for busy professionals. My name is Bronwyn Pott, and today we've got a substantive law update. We work in a pretty fast-moving and changing environment, and that includes the laws that we work within. Our aim is to bring you recent case studies, precedents, as well as updates so that you're able to stay on top of your game.
What I'm going to be talking to you about today is trusts and family law, and what I've tried to do in session is not just talk about the case law but also give you an idea of what you actually need to do when you are presented with a client who has a trust structure so that you can give them the right advice and you know what you need to do from the beginning. So what do you do when somebody comes to you and in the initial meeting you work out that they own assets within a trust structure? These may seem obvious, but people don't always do this. I have this as a checklist for myself just to make sure I don't forget anything. But essentially what you need to do is the first thing is ask for a copy of the trust deed. So it appears that the traditional approach supported by recent cases is that when it comes to establishing whether the assets held in a discretionary trust are property for the purposes of a family court matter, the court will look carefully at the object, the operation and the roles in a discretionary trust to assess who has either direct or indirect control of the trust and its assets. What's clear is that Spry's case has given the court a much broader set of factors to consider when exercising its powers under the Family Law Act. The court can look beyond the traditional structure of a discretionary trust in attempting to establish whether or not the assets in that trust are to be categorised as property of the parties. In doing so, the court can also set aside transactions on or variations to any discretionary deed.
I hope you enjoyed this session today from CPD4Me. Continuing professional development should be about learning new things, about challenging yourself to learn and grow, about finding better ways to do the things that you do every day.